Hello there. So let me introduce you to the walking stick chairs. We have two models here. There is the three-legged model and the four-legged model. The real difference with the extra leg is that this is much more sturdy. This one will take up to 400 pounds of weight. And the smaller one, the three-legged model, will take 300 pounds of weight. So actually both will just about cover me. The seat has a curved design, cushioning, and is topped with a soft leather, which makes it comfortable when you're having to sit on it for a long time. The feet actually move, so even when you're on rough ground, it can still be stable. And they're finished off with soft rubber, which means they're non-slip. Over here, we have the locking mechanism. Just close like this, like that, and you're locked away, so it's not going to open into a chair by accident. To deploy the chair, it's very simple. Press on here, 1, open the black, that's 2, and 3, just pull on the bottom of the seat. To put it back to a stick, it's the reverse. Pull it up, close the black part, close the red, and you're ready. To sit on it safely, just imagine you're riding a horse. One leg either side, and this stick in front of you. Now, do not sit side saddle like this, or what we would think is as backwards. It's not designed for being sat on this way. When your walking stick chair arrives, you're going to want to adjust the height so it's suitable for you. To do that, open it into the chair mode, loosen the safety ring here, and press the button, and you can adjust it to any of the 6 heights, just like that. I'm quite tall, so I have it up there. Make sure to screw down the safety ring, again, nice and tight like that, and you're ready to go. I'm sure you're going to get as much fun out of your walking chair as I have. If you have any problems, don't hesitate to contact us.